Dry stone walls are one of the Yorkshire Dales' most distinctive features, and are some of the oldest man-made landscape features. It's believed there are over 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers, of dry stone walls in the Yorkshire Dales. Not all of them are in tip-top condition, but most are well maintained. Layers of limestone in this pastural portion of northern England not only define the rolling landscape, they provide prime construction material for the walls corralling the area's woolliest denizens. Generations of skilled stonemasons have carefully arranged these stacks of limestone slabs that vary widely in size and shape, using techniques that maximize surface contact between the stones. The walls here in the Yorkshire Dales collectively stretch 5,000 miles, many of them several centuries old. Dry stone walls are dry because they are made without mortar, simply relying on their complex structure to stay up. They take time to build, rarely more than about 6 meters of wall in a day, which would use around 12 tons of stone, all lifted by hand. A good dry stone waller never picks up a piece of stone twice, but is able to look at a pile of walling stone and pick up the right size and shape of stone every time. A well-built wall should easily last for more than 100 years, with minimal maintenance.